I'm meteorologist Rob Eicher with the Florida Weather Authority. Thanks for checking us out on this Tuesday, the 28th of July. Not a whole lot has changed from what Amy was talking about this time yesterday, at least in the short term. But in the long term, there are some changes on the horizon. We'll get to that in just a sec. Good news is, like yesterday, the tropics remain quiet. Bad news, like yesterday, we remain under a heat advisory, at least most of us from the Orlando area north and up in the Panhandle, Panama City, and Pensacola. That's actually an excessive heat warning. What's the difference? Difference is the dew points. Dew points tell you how humid it is. Higher the dew point, higher humidity. Simple as that. This time last week, you might remember, I was talking about dew points in the mid 60s by Florida standards. That's almost comfortable. And now we're back to the mid 70s, which is a little bit more typical for this time of year. And up around Panama City, they're up around 80. That's really oppressive. Hence the excessive heat warning up there and the heat advisory for us. Why is South Florida left out? Well, they're expecting an earlier start to the showers and thunderstorms, and that should really help to keep temperatures in check. In order to get to a heat advisory, you need a heat index up around 108. Now, that is the tricky part for the forecast for today because we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms, and by nature, they will be scattered. So some of us will get them, some of us won't. If you are one of those that remains rain free, you could easily hit that heat advisory criteria, that 108 heat index. If you do get the showers and thunderstorms, you may not get there. So the actual heat advisory will be kind of scattered in nature along with the showers and thunderstorms. But here is some slightly encouraging news. We have a cold front on the horizon. There it is, or at least that's as close as it will get to us. Thursday morning should reach the Florida Georgia line. Cold fronts don't really make it all the way down into South Florida or Central or South Florida this time of year, but this one will get close enough that it will have an impact on our weather. Here's the thing with cold fronts. Usually the cold air is behind the cold front. That's not coming here. But the showers and thunderstorms tend to be ahead of the front, and this cold front will get just close enough that we should see some of that action. So showers and thunderstorms are a good bet Thursday. And this front's going to stall out and become stationary in southern Georgia. And as you might expect for a stationary front, it's not going to go anywhere, meaning that's pretty much our weather pattern for a couple of days. So the Weather Prediction Center has us at a marginal risk for excessive rain, both Thursday night, Friday into Friday night, and again, Saturday into Saturday night. So again, not a whole lot changes as we head through the weekend. What does a marginal risk for excessive rainfall mean? Well, officially it means you've got about a 5% chance of flash flooding. Now, 5% doesn't sound like much. That means 95% chance you won't get any flash flooding. But 5% chance is a lot higher than our typical risk for flash flooding. So what does that mean? Well, on the plus side, it means we've got a good chance for good soaking rain for a few days, Thursday, Friday into the weekend. The other upside to that is that it will keep our temperatures in check, upper 80s, low 90s for those few days. So hot and humid today and tomorrow, and then a good chance for showers and thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it looks like even Sunday, depending on how long that front sticks around. We could use a good soaking rain. And just like Amy was talking about yesterday with that front in the neighborhood, we could see showers and thunderstorms not just in the typical afternoon and early evening hours, but we might see them pop up in kind of unusual times, like the overnight or early morning hours, like we did on Monday morning. So hopefully we get some good soaking rain because if you've looked around the area, lakes and ponds, they're pretty low and in need of some rainfall, as is my backyard. We will, by the way, get an update on the drought situation on Thursday morning. We'll bring that to you. Hopefully, there are, though, some signs of some good news, some signs of improvement on the horizon. Stay tuned.